anxiety from the old Counter-Strike days.
To think that people still fall for that to this day.
Playing in the background.
2 minutes, 47 seconds.
Correction, 2 minutes, 40 seconds.
Anybody want to correct him?
Actually, 2 minutes, 30 seconds.
What's your vector, Victor?
Actually.
Actually, this is metric time.
Something just blew up. Did you see that?
We're getting to the 2 minute warning.
Something like to your guys freaking, well, relative. It's hard to explain. Yeah. Got a bad feeling about this.
Alright. Guess I'll start recording here in about a minute.
In position. Yeah, that was kind of a nail biter there. 10 seconds.
Here we go.
I'm scared.
Oh boy.
Adios, muchachos.
We're gonna die.
Yeah, I hope you guys are ready for a rebuy.
Come on, Trace. Where's all the horns?
Whoa!
Oh, and back we go. Turn to sender. Oh.
5,000 freaking. Holy
Okay.
crap.
Holy shit, Duck, you're 25 kilometers away.
Oh.
I'm going 4,500 meters a second.
Okay, I'm happy to know my thrusters are still not working. Wow.
Yeah, so, like, let's go back in.
I'm trying to. I don't even know what the fucking thing is.
Maybe it was like telling us this is how far out we need to be.
Wow. I'm still going back.
Are we trying?
1,000.
I'm still going backwards. Are you guys boosting back in?
Yep.
Yeah, I just finally got my fucking thruster control back. Alright, I don't know if we should go back in.
Right?
Holy, nope, we should not go back in.
No, don't go back in. No. Bad idea.
Holy shit, man, that's fucking awesome.
Yeah, it is.
Wow.
Beautiful.
That was fucking awesome. Objective complete. Let's see if it has a status effect.
Of course. Yep. Now we have to boost in.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm 170 kilometers.
Mark is like,
Almost
I'm halfway
there.
there. Almost there.
I can't wait to explain to everybody why I'm so tired at work tomorrow. Later.
That was a great screenshot.
And I got Earth in it too.
Mm-hmm.
Come on, Doc, don't be like that. Frame
Just
to
screenshot.
drive.
That was awesome, dude. Oh, no?
Right over California. And the valley's now a giant lake.
Right.
Okay.
See it down in Arizona Bay.
Oh. Caustic damage?
You super cruising in, Duck?
I did, and I jumped out. Oh! Okay. We're not done.
What happened?
Ow!
Were you dying?
Oh, that's pretty sweet.
No. Maybe. No. It just boosted me back out again.
Okay, so we're about to find out.
Yeah.
I'm working. I could see me and you just like jumping forward. Oh, here we go. Caustic damage. Getting off flighty. $120.
You guys think we can still save the captive?
I'm sure there's something.
Yeah, they're kind of probably scattered all throughout the galaxy right about now.
Those 25 freaking people were counting on me. If only Barky could have distracted them better.
I did my best.
Yeah. As long as you know it's your fault.
I keep getting pushed back.
You're welcome for saving you from the zombies.
Yeah.
I don't think you can get any closer. I keep getting pushed back.
I'm at 117, taking severe caustic damage.
Yeah, I'm staying at 103 and it's busting my shit. Oh, and I'm done.
Yeah. Oh, this is not good. I don't think this is gonna work.
No. All right. No. Yeah, I try to get closer. I get about 142, and then it kicks me back.
I get to 103 and then my ship just went boom.
Wow, you both blew up.
Yeah, I kept like bouncing off 100.